Hey there, I'm Arda from Despatch Cloud. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use warehousing to its fullest and enhance your workflow. Let's go through some of the functionality together. An order rule is a predefined condition that governs how orders are processed within the system when they are first pulled. We can access them by going into the settings and clicking on the order rules card. Through this page, we can give our rule a name, set a run limit, add and manage our conditions, and connect them to actions. It's important to note that we have the freedom to set and or connectives instead of just having and. By using order rules, we can automate different aspects of order management, such as organizing and prioritizing orders, assigning them a fulfillment location, set their shipping methods, and many more. Shipping rules, on the other hand, pre-calculate after the order rules but run at the point of label generation to ensure you can utilize time and day-based rule logic. We can find the shipping rules card again from the settings page. From this page, we can create rules per warehouse and shipping service and manage them afterwards by editing them. When any of the chosen variable is fit for an order, the system will assign the shipping service automatically. We can also use it along with order rules to further automate our workflow. Setting up shipping rules offers a range of benefits such as cost optimization, faster order processing, streamlined shipping, and many more. Let predetermined rules do the heavy lifting for you and minimize human error. Having marketplace and courier integrations is one of the biggest benefits of having warehousing. Utilizing the features of both a WMS and an OMS in single software is nothing short of amazing. So, let's go through how we can start connecting. To add sales channels, all we have to do is to go into settings and click on the sales channels card. Despatch Cloud currently offers more than 60 sales channels. Connecting to one of them is as easy as clicking on it and filling our credentials. We can customize the integration either directly from this pop-up or we can edit the added integration afterwards. So, what can we customize? Pretty much everything. The options include pulling specific orders, pulling our inventory directly from the sales channel, setting up minimum and maximum stock levels, and synchronizing stock. After the initial setup is done, we can just activate our integration and we're good to go. Adding connections to couriers is a similar process. We click on the courier integrations card from the settings page, choose from more than 100 courier integrations, and fill in our courier credentials. Afterwards, we can activate the courier and add the service presets we want to use to print our labels. If we want, we can also manage the courier settings to change some of the information, such as label sizes and reference values. Let's explore the inventory page of warehousing together. By clicking on the inventory tab from the left navbar, we can get to our inventory page. First things first, let's explore our import and export options. Clicking on the Imports Exports button will lead us to our import page. Different types of import options are listed here, just so we can do a lot of things in bulk, rather than performing them one by one. Going back to inventory listing page, we can click on the edit icon and see our item details. These details include both basic inventory information such as the SKU, price, HS code, and advanced information such as its product type, whether it's an inventory item, component item, group item, packaging item, or an auxiliary packaging item. We can also set global stock warning levels on an inventory item level to keep a close eye. This warning will be shown almost anywhere possible. Also, we can see our batching options. Whether we want serial numbers or batch numbers, we can have it our way. Lastly, bottom of the page includes our warehouse controls. Having an organized inventory is the key to success when it comes to warehouse management. And thanks to warehousing, it is very easy to have one. Let's go through the picking and packing operations on warehousing. Warehousing supports both paper picking and scanner picking operations. Clicking on an order will give us the options of printing order pick lists and creating batch labels for orders. Additionally, if you're utilizing hand scanners or even Android devices, then you can take advantage of Despatch Cloud software to make your workflow better. To do so, all we have to do is click on an order, or multiple orders in this instance, and create picks. The system will automatically allocate the orders and give you your pick options for single and multi-picks. These include order by order, bulk and sort for single orders, and an additional third picking option for multi-picks. Afterwards, our pick is created and we are given our pick number. We can then assign the user to do the picking by navigating to the Picking tab under Dispatch. Once the assignment is completed, the picker will be able to see the pick on the handheld device. To complete the pick, the picker will have to first scan the location and then the item. Optionally, the container can also be scanned as the last step. And that's picking. If we go back to our orders list, we can see that the order status has now been updated. The next and last step will be in the packing terminal, where packers will scan the items and warehousing will show them the order that item belongs in. Scanning all the items will forward the packer to the label generation page, from which a label can be easily printed and the order dispatched. Most of the options throughout this flow can be customized or automated via the system settings or predetermined rules. This way, you can enhance your warehouse operations and minimize human error.